everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Denon receiver which keeps turning itself off. So here's a guide for your auto standby, overheat and protection mode. Fix 1. Check the speaker wires. Make sure no loose or exposed wires are touching each other or the receiver. Fix 2. Check for overheating. Keep the receiver in an open, well-ventilated area. Remove anything blocking the vents. Fix 3. Lower the volume. Very high volume can cause the receiver to shut down for protection. Fix 4. Check the speaker impedance. Make sure your speakers are compatible with the receiver. Fix 5. Turn off sleep timer. Go to Setup, select General, and then go to Sleep Timer and select Off. Fix 6. You can disconnect external devices. Unplug connected speakers and HDMI devices, then test the receiver. Fix 7. You can power cycle it. Turn it off, unplug it for about 10 minutes, then plug it back in. Fix 8. Reset the receiver. If nothing works, you can perform a factory reset according to your Denon model's instructions. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.